الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Inshallah Rahman will be starting a video series on Sarf, and this book, The Foundations of Sarf, is an excellent starting point for beginners who'd like to get started with learning the Arabic language. Arabic language, you could say, is at the basics is divided into two parts, Sarf and Nahv. Inshallah, this series will cover Sarf. This is the table of contents. 80 pages. This book is very nice in keeping it short and to the point. And in later books that come after this, they go into a lot more depth, like Nisab al-Sarf, Marah al-Arwah, etc. This is the specialties of the book. I ask the readers to read this on your own. And lesson number 1 on the introduction of al-Sarf. What is Sarf? What is the definition of it? It states, Ilm al-Sarf is that knowledge in which the rules of forming a word from another word and to make different changes in it are explained. So what they're trying to say is that how you take one word and change it. For example, how would you take a past tense verb and make it into present? How would you take it then and make it into a future tense? How would you make it a command verb? Or how would you make a question out of it, etc. For example, I'll give an English example, would be the word run. So that he was running, he is running. If I say you run, etc. like that, you change the word for run, running, will run. The topic of Sarf is kalima in accordance with sigha. Kalima they mention is word. Sigha, they have a definition in the bottom which says, is the name of that form of a word which is attained to a particular sequence of letters and signs. That is, short vowels, i.e. kasra, dhamma, fatha. Another way of saying this could be, sigha is, you could say, is it singular, dual, or plural? Is it past tense, future tense, present? Is it masculine, feminine, etc.? And inshallah, as you go through the book, you'll have a better understanding of sigha, especially when we get to the conjugation tables. And what is the benefit of sarf? Why do we learn sarf? It's to save the intellect from making mistakes in regarding to forming and changing of words. And inshallah, you'll see this better. You'll understand this better as you go through the conjugation tables in the coming lessons. And a good thing they have in this book is they always provide a short exercise. It's not too much, not too little. It's just right. What is ilm al-sarf? As we discussed, ilm al-sarf are those rules that we use when forming a word from another word to make changes to it or make new words from it. Question 2, what is the topic and the benefit of sarf? The topic of ilm al-sarf, it deals with the kalima, the word, in accordance to the sigha. And what is the benefit of it? That it, when speaking Arabic or reading Arabic or writing Arabic, it saves the mind from making mistakes when you are forming or changing words. And that is the end of lesson 1. Inshallah, we'll continue with lesson 2 in the next video.